Ever wondered how to improve your customer service without hiring an army of representatives? It's a question that haunts many businesses, large or small. The common struggles faced are slow response times, exorbitant costs, and an inability to provide round-the-clock support. But what if there was a solution that could address all these issues and more? Enter the age of artificial intelligence, specifically tailored for customer service. One such solution is the ChatBot AI Assist, a game changer in the realm of customer service. This AI-driven chatbot can scan your website or help center, providing quick and accurate answers to customer inquiries. It's like having a dedicated team of representatives, but without the overhead costs. It's faster, more efficient, and available 24/7. The ChatBot AI Assist leverages your data to deliver personalized responses, engaging visitors, and enhancing the customer experience. Imagine a world where your customer service is handled efficiently, cost-effectively, and around the clock. That world is here thanks to ChatBot AI Assist. So, how exactly does ChatBot AI Assist revolutionize customer service? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the cutting-edge features of this game changer. Firstly, ChatBot AI Assist is not just a response machine. It's an intelligent system that scans your resources, be it your website, help center, or any designated resource, to provide quick and accurate answers to customer queries. It's like having a diligent librarian who knows every book in your library, ready to provide the right information at the right time. But it doesn't stop there. This AI chatbot seamlessly combines automated AI responses with dedicated flows. This means it gives your customer service a personal touch, ensuring every interaction is tailored, engaging, and most importantly, effective. ChatBot AI Assist is a standalone AI. You're not tied to any third-party providers like OpenAI or Google Bard. It's like having your own in-house AI expert working tirelessly for you and you alone. Now let's talk speed. This AI chatbot is faster than a cheetah on roller skates. It provides immediate responses and hosts human-like conversations. Your customers won't be left waiting or feel like they're talking to a machine. One of the standout features is its ability to be trained by multiple data sources. Whether it's your website, help center, or text documents, ChatBot AI Assist learns from all of them and can be updated later on. It's a continuous learner, always adapting, always improving. In terms of data security, all the data is processed and hosted only within the chatbot platform. You can rest easy knowing your information is safe and secure. And lastly, the power is in your hands. The FAQ module takes priority over AI Assist, allowing you to control the questions and answers used as bot responses. Plus, you can manage all your AI data sources, choosing which ones are currently utilized by your AI bot. And there you have it, a comprehensive AI-driven solution to most, if not all, of your customer service challenges. With ChatBot AI Assist, you're not just adopting a tool, you're embracing the future of customer service. Now, you might be wondering, what does this mean for me and my business? Well, let's delve into that. By leveraging ChatBot AI Assist, you can unlock cost savings by automating routine tasks, freeing up your employees to focus on more complex and high-value tasks. It also leads to improved customer satisfaction as queries are answered instantly, making your customers feel heard and valued. The beauty of AI is that it's available around the clock, providing 24/7 customer service, answering questions from different time zones at any hour. This also increases efficiency as the AI learns from each interaction, becoming smarter and faster over time. All these benefits contribute to a superior customer experience, which is key to business growth and success. So why wait? Start revolutionizing your customer service today. Check the link in the description to learn more about ChatBot AI Assist.